How should you structure your medical CV? In this quick video, I'm going to take you through the key components of a really good medical CV, including the recommended order that you should put them in. Hello YouTube, I'm the Career Doctor. I'm here to help you manage your medical career. I put out videos at least once a week, so if you've got any questions about this particular video or other videos, you know you can leave a comment or in the description notes below. And if you're watching it for the second or third time, then I would encourage you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can find out about future videos. So this time of the year, everyone's getting prepared often for intern applications and medical recruitment. Even senior doctors are brushing off their CVs. So I thought we'd just quickly step you through the key components of a CV, a medical CV. Now there are some differences depending on a few variations, but this is the common structure that I recommend for most doctors. So let's dive into it. So the first thing is I've put a number of videos out about this medical CV, and there is a blog post. So if you Google how to write a medical CV guide or Anthony Llewellyn, it should come up on the first page of Google, and that takes you quite thoroughly through this and a lot of notes and examples of what I'm talking about. But the basic structure is, and the criticality is, the first page of your CV. So let's look at that, and then let's look at what goes on the rest of your CV. So for most doctors, the key thing that you want to have as the bold hero statement on your CV is obviously your name. And you know from other videos that I strongly recommend against having a photo because that distracts the reviewer from your name and other key components of your CV, and it injects unnecessary bias into the process. So we don't have the photo there. Please don't put a photo on your CV. So your name should be the boldest, biggest thing on your CV. Underneath all this, you should have your short qualifications. And things like your registration number, and if you're an international doctor, things about your visa status or your status with the Australian Medical Council, those sorts of things. But that's there to make it easier for the employer to check all those things, to check if you meet the key eligibility criteria for the role. One second. If we remove this photo, we also have a little bit of space to put your contact details. So you should have a phone number, obviously an email. I'll make it a sanitised one, please, and usually where you're from. But you usually don't need a postal address these days because all the contracts get the email out, etc. So that will take up about 20% of the first page. The next thing on your page should really be your career goal statement. I'm not going to talk about that in too much depth in this video because there are other videos that go over that, but it's a summary of what sort of job you're looking for, how you've developed your career to this point to get into that position, and importantly, how you can add value to the employer. It's very important to always tailor your CV to the job. And then the next thing is work history, or what I like to talk about as work achievements, and that should be in the reverse chronological order. Now, for most doctors, particularly anyone who's worked maybe a couple of years as a doctor, once you've done your name, your short qualifications, your contact details, your statement, and your work history, you're usually into the second page going into more work history or work achievements. If you're a little bit fresher, say you're currently a medical student or an intern, you might find that you can stick your education history there on the first page. And again, that should be in reverse chronological order, so that's often, again, for medical students or interns, it would be your medical degree, your primary degree. Perhaps if you're a bit more mature in your career development, it might be some sort of postgraduate qualification. So generally, as I said, work and education sort of flow through the second page. And then we've got basically the other stuff. So there's no rule in terms of what other things you need to list in terms of headings. Unlike a true curriculum of IT, and I've discussed the difference between a CV or resume in other videos, I'll put a link to those in the description and somewhere around here or here. You can use whatever headings you like, and really it should be the things that order should be the things that you think reflect the best on you as a candidate. So if you've done a lot of good research and you think that sells you as a candidate, then put that next. If, however, you are quite keen on your teaching achievements, put that. And there might be other things like professional development, or courses. It's really up to you to determine what's the best stuff to put and in which order. The last thing is always your referees. You are strongly encouraged to list at least 3 referees on your CV in medicine to make it easier for the employer to know who to contact, as well as some employers like to sort of look at the front page, basically look at your name, look at your statement, look at your work history, and then skip through to the back and see which people are referees for you, because they like to sometimes see if they recognise the name of one of those referees. So that's essentially how I recommend most doctors structure their medical CV for jobs in medicine.